Hi everyone. I hope all of you are fine and enjoying your half term. I'm just looking for more members to come and join us. Then we can get started. How was your day? Hi, I can see you guys saying hi to me. How was your day? Did you guys do something since morning or you were just waiting for the live today? What did actually you guys do today? Hope you're doing well. Yes, I'm fine. Thanks for asking. So what were you guys did today? You did maths today. That's good. You did maths. What else did you do except maths? Homeschool. I know you, but you have half term going on now, don't you? So are you guys still doing something in half term or you just studying for your 11 plus? You are doing online papers. You did a poster. If you want us to see your poster, you can post, tell your parents to post your poster in 11 plus ALT group because we are doing a lot of things in 11 plus ALT group for the kids these days. It's very tiring. What's very tiring? VR English and whatnot. So you did everything. I hope you guys are also having some time for yourself. You're also spending some time with your family than just studying all the time. Try spending some time with your family also than just study because doing so much of study sometimes make you guys tired, don't it? Does not it? And you guys know what are we doing today? You know, that's good. And remember, did you guys enjoy the snow last week? It was so good. It was lovely looking at the snow last week. It was so much of fun. Yes, we are doing the ninth end term today. I always used to say end term, ninth term. I don't know why. And I was like, okay, it's end term, it's not ninth term. So we're going end term today, and I'm going to tell you guys how to do it because some of you said that you find it really hard. So if you find end term hard, I hope my this video will make you guys like end term and you will start liking it and you will start because some of you said yesterday, oh, end term is really bad, we don't like it, and we are this is something we really don't want to do it. So maybe after today's video, all of you start liking it. First of all, I would say that yes, in 11 plus ALT group, you can send anything. Our 11 plus ALT group is for you guys, for your creative things, and we are doing everything for you guys to be creative. 21 people watching, so you'll be really happy because I remember you were always the first one to come in and the last one sometimes. Riddhi is here. Riddhi, I will do that on Saturday with you guys, so don't worry, you have not done it with me in ALT, so we'll be doing that in ALT. So if Riddhi would be the first one to know how to do it then. So we can get started if all of you are ready. Don't forget, for me, the end, end term is really interesting. That's good. Don't forget to like the video. Don't dislike, just like the video. I have already. That's good, you have. So should we get started before wasting more time? Yeah. And if you have any creativity, any art, anything, any your creative writing, anything you think you want me to have a look, just tell your parents to post in 11 plus ALT group. That group is for you guys. I don't want that group to be only for tutors, just to advertise, advertise, advertise. I need you all to do it. Yeah. You have subscribed to the other channel. Yeah. Sorry, guys. I forgot to tell you. Ishita has started a new channel. It's called Smart Minds UK. Just try to subscribe to her channel also. She'll be really happy if you see she Ishita sees you guys subscribe to her channel because she is going to make cheesecake today. And if you guys love cheesecake, you will come to know that Ishita will be posting how to make cheesecake. So you all also can try that in your half term. Something really interesting. When will the competitions? Tomorrow, I'm going to tell you the names of two people who were active yesterday and today, and they had given the right answers. And that people would be chosen by the computer, not by me, because I don't know how many of you are giving the right answers. Only the computer knows who's giving the right answers and who's not. So the computer would be doing that for you guys. So let's get started. You passed your 10 plus. That's really good. Congratulations. What was the name? The name of Ishita's channel is Smart Mind UK. If you go to last yesterday's video, I have put the link of her channel there for you guys to subscribe. And I will also after this live, I'll put the video, sorry, the link for her channel today also for the YouTube show. What's YouTube show? Okay, guys, let's get started now. And when will we do a creative writing competition? The creative writing class is tomorrow. So obviously the competition of creative writing would be after tomorrow when I give you guys a new task, a new creative writing for you all. So let's get started now. First, for the newcomers who don't know what end term is, I'm going to tell you what it is. So I'm going to share some slides to give you a little idea what end term is. And after that, we will do some questions together as we normally do. And then all of you will be having opportunity to answer the questions for me or for yourself. Anything you say. So let's get started. I don't want to show you my face, so I'm going to hide myself now. So what are we learning? Actually, to find the term of a sequence given the end term. So 4s of a q is four sides of a. Don't forget, don't look at all these things, Zira. I'll go on the next slide because this slide is a little confusing for you guys. Okay, so this is the rule. When you guys are finding the end term, I can't see. You can't see it? Can you see the slide? All of you, just tell me if you can. We can't see it. Let me just try doing it again. Share it again with you guys. Can you see it now? No, we can now. Yes, yes, okay. The rule, okay. So basically the rule is this the rule? Yeah, that's the rule when you're finding the end term of anything. Remember what does 2n plus 3 actually means. Write the two steps in your books. So if you have something, you can just try writing in your book. You can't see it. Just refresh yourself and then you will be able to see the slide. Because I can see that all of you can see now. If you guys can't see, I would say that just go and refresh your slide. Can see. So basically, when you're doing the end term, the rule for end term is remember what does 2n plus n actually mean. We are going up by 2s at each step. At position first term, we add 3 to 2. So it's basically this is one of the main rule when you guys are thinking about when you're doing your end term. So when you have your end term, you would definitely do something like this. So I'll give you an example now. So if you look at this one, listing a sequence form the end term. Now we understand this. See how can you list the first terms of the sequence. So you're just multiplying it by 2n. 2n means 2 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 3, and so on. So it's basically 2 stable. If they give you to find the n term of 3n, so you would just do it 3 multiplied by 1. Yeah, it's basically the table. It's basically the table of 2. Instead of n, you're just writing multiply by 2, 1, 3, 4, whatever you can say. You're just multiplying it by it. So they are asking you, now we understand this. See if you can list the 5 terms of the sequence 2n. Yes, all of you got it. That's the only thing you have to do in the n term. It's not so hard. Like some of you said that, oh, it's really hard. We don't know how to do it. So example is, if we will be doing a lot of things now, this is just an example for you guys to do it. The n term of the sequence is 3n minus 1. Write the first 5 terms. If you're writing the first 5 terms, you're just multiplying 3 by 1 minus 1. That would be your first term. The second term would be 3 multiplied by 2 minus 1. So you keep doing it that way. And on the second side, they're asking you, number 2 example, they're asking you the n term of a sequence is 4n plus 3. So you guys will just do it 4 multiplied by 1 plus 3, 4 multiplied by 2 plus 3, so on. So it is basically a sequence in a way which all of you get confused. Well done, Vidhi. You got it now. So keep writing your answers. We'll see if your answers are right. That was the first one. Did you guys get this for the first one? You did. Well done. Let's see the next one now. Let's see what is for the next one. 3 multiplied by 1. That's 5. Just check your answers, all of you. If you got that, show me a thumbs up that you guys got this answer. The next one would be like this. What do you think the answer could be? 3 multiplied by 3 minus 1. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Minus 1 is 8. Did you get this answer? A little bit confused. Don't worry, you will get. Let's check the next one. Keep checking if you got this answer. The fourth sequence would be 3 multiplied by 4 minus 1 gives you 11. And the last one, 3 multiplied by 5 minus 1. So I have completed one side for you guys. Did you all get the same answer for the first one, example 1? So let's do the second one now and see if you guys get the answer for the next one. I'll give you guys little time to do the second one, and then I will write the answers for you all and see if you get the right answer. You got it all correct. That's good. So let's start with the answers for the example 2 now and see if you all got it right. That's for the first one. Second one is 4 multiplied by 1 plus 3. What is that? That's 7. Did you guys get the answer for the first one? 7, 11, 19. Okay. Let's put Josh answers and see if he got it all right or he got any wrong. 4 multiplied by 2 plus 3. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Did you guys get this answer? Yes, Josh got this one. Let's do the next one. 4 multiplied by 3 plus 3 gives you guys 15. Next one. So what do you think the answer would be for the next one now? Are you guys writing the answer for the next one? I think so. Josh wanted to write 11 in this, or 19. And the fifth one is, check your answers now. If you all got this answers. This is the way how you do it, and this is the way how you get your answers. Well done, guys. So try doing this one. Now we understood this. If we can list the first 5 terms of the sequence 2n plus 3. I will put the answers after you guys are done. Let's see if you can do this. You type error, okay? So I'll give you all a minute to try doing this one. And then we will go with the answers. You got it. It's 2n plus 3. You're just going to write. They're asking you the first 5 sequence, so you have to do it after 13. So this is, how would you do that? Okay. I can see all of you writing the answers. And I will put the answers for you guys. Check if you got the right answers for this one. I'm still confused. You're just going to write the sequence here. It's nothing to be confused. 2n plus 3. Your first one is 2 multiplied by 1 plus 3. That's 5. That's your first sequence, second sequence, third sequence, fourth sequence, fifth sequence. So you just need to carry on after that and write what the next one is. Wow. So somebody has given me so much. That's good. Well done. Okay, guys, let's check your answers now and see if you got it right. The first one was 22. I can't see anyone got 22 in this. I can see you got 23, but I can't see anyone writing 22. Okay, so let's start doing this one. You're just adding 2, yeah. Try doing task 1 for me, all of you. That's great. It's 2n plus 1 for n. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Use each of the following rules to write down the first 5 sequence terms of the sequence. We are not going to do example 1 grade D. This is not for you guys. So let me see if. So you got this. I'm just thinking. We will do this one because that one was a little confusing for you guys. So you're going to tell me this one, the green and red. Try drawing this one. The previous one was a little difficult. Yeah, this one is different because I don't wanted to do that one. That one looks a little confusing for you guys. So try doing this. 3. And after this, we will go to the sheets. Is the red one harder? A little bit, but not so hard. You guys are really clever. So don't think it's hard for you all. When you do this, I'll put the answers in the next slide. So try doing this for me now. 3n minus 1. So that would be 3 multiplied by 1 minus 1. What will that give you? Just write down the answers, all of you. And on the next slide, we have the answers. So all of you can check if you got the right answer or you got the wrong one. And after this, we'll go together and we'll do little hard stuff. Not hard, little easy, but little hard. I'll share the screen again and we'll do some questions with the end term with you guys. So you have done the red one and you have done the green one. Have you guys done the red one and the green one? Yeah? If you're ready, show me a thumbs up. I'll put the slide in the next one so all of you can check your answers. Remember, in the one where you have 6n minus 10, you're just going to do it. Your first five terms, your first term would be 6 minus 10. Your first term is always what's given to you. And your second term
always supposed to be here.
will be so try doing it. And see if you all can do it. And then I will tell you guys the answers. All of you ready for the answers? Done? That's good. So let's go with the answers now. I have no clue. Must be the background music. You don't understand. It's really easy. And when you're doing 6n minus 4, you're just doing it. See, 6 multiplied by 1 minus 4 and so on. So let's see your answers now. Check your answers, all of you. Check your answers and see if all of you got the right answer or you got the wrong answer. The answers for the red one and answers for the green one. If you think you are gone stuck or something, the best thing is you could go back and see how to do it. So that's one of the answers you all have given. I extremely stuck. You're extremely stuck. So let's move on to the next one. If you guys are ready, you got all correct. That's good. Try doing these harder sequences and see if you can get your answers right. That's good if you practice in NTerm or on AGC website. So try doing this one now and see if you get your answers right. Minus n would be only what? Minus 1. That's so easy. Minus 3n would be minus 3 multiplied by 1. Minus 4 plus 5. You're just doing that. You're not, just don't think about the n and try doing that. N is, they have just given you n as 1. If they don't give you anything about n, it is consumed, it means 1. So remember that. Gayatri, well done. You got all right answers till now. When they have not given you any number and they've just given you n term, n means only 1. So you just have to do it with 1. Nothing else. So you don't need to get confused and think what it means. Josh has got it right. Well done, Josh. Sure has given me so many. Well done. Good. So you're getting it now. Shubhi said, see your answers now, all of you. Are you ready? Here you go. You all have only given me for the first one. So this is for all of them. Did you guys get this answer now? Now we'll be start sharing a screen with you all. I'll stop sharing this one and I'll start sharing some questions for you all. If you want me to go back to the questions, I can do that for you all. These were the harder sequences you guys are doing now. And these are the ones you were supposed to do. -3. I'm thinking if I can have a pointer here. So in this one, that's the answer for you all. %100 right. Okay, let me stop sharing the screen now for a minute because now I'm going to share with you all share with you all questions how to do end term because there are some of you who didn't even get it now. So when we do that, it'll be easy for you to understand that. So let's start sharing the screen again. And I will zoom in for you guys. Can you see the first question, all of you? Remember what you did previously. You're doing the same thing here, only they are little. We won't do part B in this one because they don't ask you in 11 plus part B. So we'll be just doing part 1 in this one. So try doing the part 1. Here are 5 sequences. First, for 5 terms in a number sequence, you need to find the 10th term in the number sequence. So you're just finding the 10th term. And then you're going to tell me what the answer is. Remember, the 10th term is, you're just going to look at the exam. You just need to look in this. What's the difference in all of them? 7 to 10, the difference is, if you look at 7 to 10, the difference is 3. So your sequence is 3n. That's your sequence. So you're just finding the first term in this, the 10th term in this. So when are you finding the 10th term? How would you guys do that? Because I've given you a hint. Good. So you're just going to keep on doing it and then you get your answer. Yes, the sequence is 3n plus 4. Good. That's the sequence we are working on in this one. 3n, we got it. And they're asking you the first 5 terms in this. So you'll just do a 3n plus 4. And that will give you your answer as 34. That was a sequence we just found. Was the difference between them? Was a sequence between all of this? And then we do it plus 4. Then we see how did we get 7? What in 3 gives me 7? That's 4. That's why I wrote 3n plus 4. That makes your sequence. So hope you got it now. You got it right. That's good. So let's move on to the next one now. As I told you, we are not doing the explanation part because you don't have that in 11 plus. So we will move on to the next one. In this, they have already given you 6n plus 3. Now they want you to write down the first 4 sequences. So they're asking you to write the first 4. So just replace the n with 1, 2, 3, and 4 and keep on doing it. If I do the second one would be 6 multiply by 2 plus 3 will be for your second one. And your third one would be 6 multiply by 3 plus 3 for your third one. And your fourth one would be 6 multiply by 4 plus 3. I've done so much work for you guys. 9, 15, 21, 27. Good. This is how you would find your answer for number 2. So I've done it for you because I could see that some of you said you didn't understand how to do it. This is the only way you have to do it. I am confused again. Why are you confused? Instead of n, you're just writing 1, 2, 3, or 4, and you're just adding it with 3. Well then, guys, let me just write down the answer for all of you. So the answer is 9 for this one, 15 for this one, 21 for this, and 27 for this. Good. We are not doing part 2 because you don't get that 11 plus. Remember that. Part 2 is being cancelled. I'll wait for you guys to do this one. Then we can move on to the next one. So let's move on to the next page. I think so, yes. We need to move on to the next page now. What did I do with this? Let me zoom in for you guys again. We are not going to explain, we are not going to do part B in this, but part 1 we will be doing this. We won't do part B. So just tell me part 1. They are telling you a sequence of the number is shown below. Find the expression of the end term of the sequence. So what is the formula? Expression means basically what the sequence they are doing. First see 1 to 5, what's the difference? Is 4. Is 4n, and what's happening after that? You are minusing it. You're subtracting it. You're subtracting by 3. I got the sequence. Well done. That's your sequence. So we just look at 1 to 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if you go this way, they're doing minus. So it's 4n. What's the difference between you get it minus 3? It cannot be 4n plus 4, remember, because if it will be 4n plus 4, if you multiply in the first one, 4 multiplied by 4 would be 8, and none of your numbers are 8. So it has to be minus, because you have to look at your sequence, what it's giving you, and then you have to make sure what you're writing. So we won't be doing B. So let's move on to the fourth one now. The fourth one is the n term of a number sequence is given by 5n plus 2. You need to work out the first one, the first three sequence, first, second, and third. This is easy. This is something you all have done before with me right now. So just try putting it 5 multiplied by 1 plus 2, 5 multiplied by 2 plus 2, and then get your answer. So I think so all of you have already got the answer. 7, 12, and 17. That's good. I'm just writing all the answers what I got from you guys. For the first one, you guys just did 5 multiplied by 1 plus 2. That has given you guys 7. And the second one you need to put, the second one is is 5 multiplied by 2. I'll just put it here. 5 that's 12. And the last one, what they're asking you is the third one. So the third one would be 5 multiplied by 3 plus 3 is, we got all the answers here. 7 is your first one, 12 is your second one, and 17 is your third one. So let's do the next one now. Here are the first 5 terms of another number sequence. You need to find in terms n an expression for the n term of the sequence. So you have to tell me what is the equation you guys will use for this one. Now, all of you are, yes, Shaurya, you got it right. Well done. It's 6n plus 1. Because you need to look at the difference between 5 and 11 is 6. And then you need to look at from 5 how from 6n minus 1 will give you 5. How would you get 5 from 6? You have to minus 1. So that's why it's understood. The first step is to look at the difference. Remember, first step is to look at the difference. You got 6. You have to write n. Then you will see that from 6, how would you go to 5? You have to minus 1. This is how you guys make your sequence. It cannot be 7n minus n because you're looking at 5, you're not looking at 6. So remember your steps when you're doing it. So let's move on to the next one now. I will zoom in for you guys. Again, you have to show me the expression for the term. You need to find an expression for the n term of the sequence. So you have to make sure first, remember your first step and your second step. Your first step is the difference. Second step is how would you get 2 from that? So the difference is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is 7n. That's right. I've done my first step. And the next step is from 2 to 7. How would I get from 7 to 2? Obviously, I need to minus something to get that. What would I minus? I will minus 5. That's my sequence. So the next one is you have to find the 100 sequence in the 100 term in the sequence. So you are just going to multiply 7 multiply by 100 minus 5 to find the answer for this one. So what did you guys get? Good, you get 695. Well done, everyone. That's the right answer all of you got. So your answer for this one is 6. Oh, what's happening? Why Mishra's Learning logo is coming in middle? 695. That's your answer for this one. I'll just copy some of your answers. If you're ready, give me a thumbs up. We'll move on to the next one. Because I don't want to be so fast that you guys say that, oh, she's so fast. I got one thumbs up, so only one person is ready. Tomorrow, you guys are doing creative writing. 695, that's good. What's that? Josh, I didn't get it. So all of you ready. So let's move now. I will have to take this little up for you all. And then I need this hand, not this one. For this, I need to remove this now. Try doing this one. So you have to find the n term of a number sequence, n square plus 3. This is interesting one. Let's see who does this one correct. So you need to find the first term, the second term, and the third term. I can show you one of them, how it is. One of them is 1. Oh, my square looks so bad. 1 square plus 3. First one, second one would be 2 square plus 3, and your third one would be 3 square plus 3. So I've done it for you guys, and I just need the answer. Four, 7, and 4, 8 and 12. I got one right answer. 4, 7, and 12. So your answer is 4, 7, and 12. Now they're asking you, work out the difference between the 5th and the 10th term in the sequences. The thing is, you guys need to find out what the 5th term is first and what the 10th term is, and then you have to find the difference. I'll give you guys a second to do this, a minute basically, to do this, and then I will get the answer for you. Someone with diamond logo has given me the right answer. Josh, you got the right answer. I'm not putting the right answer right now. I'm just waiting for more people to give me the right answer. Gayatri has given me the right answer. Divya, you're not very sure. Try doing it again. Jay, you're not very sure. Try doing it again. Grand Priest, you got the right answer. Sadak got the right answer. So let's do it now. Jyoti got the right answer. Hera got the right answer. Hem got the right answer. Rekha got the right answer. So let's do the ones who didn't get the right answer. So you're just doing 5 plus 3. And the next one is 10 plus 3. This one gives you guys 28. And this gives you 103. So you just need to minus 103 minus 28. That gives you guys 75. That's your answer. Well done, everyone. That was the right answer. So let's move on to the next one now. Let's zoom in now. The next one is the first 5 terms in a number sequence are 10, 7, 4, 1, minus 2. You need to work out the end term of the sequence. So you have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to work more. You have to do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, sorry, you need to get the formula in this one. I'm so sorry. You need to find the formula for this one. Work out the end term of the sequence. First is, remember the first step is to find the difference between 10 and 7. That all of you know is, it'll be minus 3 this time. Remember, because you're going from 10 to 7, you're getting minus 3. Remember your signs, all of you. That would be minus 3 I got. From minus 3, how would I go to 10? You will add something to do it. What would you add to get to 10? From minus 3 to 10. If you don't know how to do it, try making a number line and try putting from the number line and try doing it. It will be plus. Yes, it'll be plus what? I've given you 1. It's not plus 7. You're going to 10. You need to go to 10. You need to, your sign, okay, I'll give you a hint. The sign what you guys are using here is plus. Plus something gives me 10. What would I plus in minus 3 to give me 10? I have a clever person here. It's given me the answer. Minus 3n plus 13. Well done. So you're doing 13. Because if you do 13, you do it minus 3 plus 13. That would give you your answer 10. Now find out the 50th term of the sequence. How would you do that? How? Because you are looking at from minus 3, how would you get 10? You need to do minus 2, minus 1, 0, and 10 more. So that will be 13. That's why I said try making a number line to see it. From -3 going all the way to 10, you have to do it -2, then you do -1, then you do 0. And remember, you have all the way to 10. There are 10 there. And if you're adding that, 11, 12, 13, that's 13. I'm not making it the number line, but I'm just telling you if you do that, it would be like this. So next is you need to find the fifth term in the sequence. That will be the last one for today for all of you. Let's see if you can do it. Good. It's -137. So the ones who don't know, let's do some of the working out for you guys. It's 13 -3 multiplied by 50. That will be 13 -150. Remember, we take the sign of the bigger one always. And that's why we have taken the sign of the bigger one. It's 150 is minus, and then you would get -137. We have 3 minutes more, so we can do one more with you guys. And that would be your last one for today. This is the last one for you all today. Let's see who gives me the answer for the last one right today. You need to work out the end term for this one. Difference between 12 and 22, first step. Second step, how would you get with the difference to 12? Difference between 12 and 22 is 10n. If you write minus, what I'm looking, all of you are writing minus, then you will not go to 12. From 10 to 12, you need to add something. Plus 2, yes. You don't do -2, you do +2. 10n plus 2. That's your sequence, guys. (10n plus 2 is the answer. Yes, you were the first one to do it. But some of you wrote the answer as -2. I'll stop sharing the screen now. My battery is running down of my computer also. I hope all of you understood the end term today. And as some of you said that you were going on saying that it's really hard, I don't know how to do it. I hope this video has helped you all to understand your end term. If this video has helped you all, I would say that don't forget to like this video. And if you guys are just coming in and you have not subscribed to our channel, please try to subscribe to our channel, because if you do that, you will get the notification whenever we guys are live, because we will be live this week almost every day this week from Monday to Friday. Where is your daughter's channel? Ishita's channel. I don't know if she is looking at your messages today. It's Smart Minds UK. And she'll be posting, she's going to make a cheesecake today and she's going to post that in that channel. So she would love that if you guys subscribe to her channel. And don't forget, I won't get 1 million. I'm not even 2K right now. Hopefully, if you guys keep, is it English tomorrow? We have creative writing tomorrow, not English. If you guys, I have not decided what we'll do on Friday. So I'll ask you guys, what do you want us to do on Friday? This has helped me a lot. Oh, we can do non-verbal. I'll see you guys back tomorrow for creative writing. And after that, what's the channel called? Ishita channel is Smart Minds UK. I'll provide the link in the description again for you guys today, in the messages today. And I'll see you guys back tomorrow. And thanks for joining us live today, all of you. Have a lovely rest of the day. And don't forget to like the video. If you're on Facebook, you can still like the video and you can give hearts there. And if you are on YouTube, you can like the video and tell your family, your friends also to come and subscribe to our channel. Bye, everyone.